Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ally Easy Access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.ally.com and press enter. Wait for the Ally homepage to load completely. Once the page is visible, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you have an Ally account, enter your username in the first field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. If you want the system to remember your login details on this device, check the Remember Me box. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the corresponding link beneath the login fields for assistance. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your information. If successful, you will be directed to your Ally account dashboard. If there are any issues with your login, follow the prompts for recovery or support. You are now logged into your Ally account. From here, you can manage your finances and access various services provided by Ally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.